Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp order confirmation for InstaMojo orders. So here I'm using InstaMojo as my payment gateway, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new payment through InstaMojo, then automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my customer on their WhatsApp numbers. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my InstaMojo account with my WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my InstaMojo account, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new payment through my InstaMojo particular payment page, then automatically I want to send an automated personalized WhatsApp message to that customer like this on their WhatsApp. So here I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API to send this automated WhatsApp message, and for that I will connect my InstaMojo account with my WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I will be clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box has appeared in front of us. So we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp order confirmation for InstaMojo orders, and then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to click on the add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new payments through InstaMojo. So I'm going to select my trigger application as InstaMojo V2 and my app event as new sale. Then I'm going to click on this connect, and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my InstaMojo account with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my InstaMojo account. So this is my InstaMojo account, and from here I'm going to click on the smart pages. And here under smart pages, you can see some payment pages available. So for now, I'm going to select this first payment page by clicking on the three dots, and from here I'm going to click on this edit page. And then I'm going to scroll it little down. And now here under the page settings, you can see the option of add a webhook. So you need to turn on this button first, and here you can see an existing webhook URL. So I'm going to remove this webhook URL, and here I'm going to add a new webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my new webhook URL, and here you need to select the information to be sent. So here I'm going to select the event as successful payment because I want to receive the response for only successful payments. So I'm going to select that, and after selecting the event, I'm going to click on the save and update given over here. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our InstaMojo. That means we have successfully connected our InstaMojo account with Pabbly Connect. So you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to make a test payment in the InstaMojo account. So now here to make a test payment, let me take you back to my InstaMojo account. Here I'm going to copy the link of this particular payment page, and then I'm going to open it in a new tab. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for now, I'm going to purchase this product by clicking on this pay now. And now here we're going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart, last name as user. Here for the email address, I'm going to add the email address as smart@pabblitudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. So this is a random phone number, and now I'm going to click on this add delivery info. So I'm going to add a random delivery address, and then I'm going to click on this proceed to pay. And here it is asking me to select the payment method. So I'm going to select scan and pay for now, and here I'm going to scan this QR from my phone and make a successful payment. And here you can see I have successfully made a payment over here. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here we need to wait for some seconds to receive a response. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details and the buyer's phone number, name, and the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new order detail through InstaMojo, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer via WhatsApp Cloud API. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm using my WhatsApp communication platform as WhatsApp Cloud API, but you can use it as WhatsApp by SNC, Interact, Vati, and also Pabbly Chatflow. For now, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and I'm going to select the app event as send template message, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So now here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta. And here to learn how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see a video attached of the complete process step by step that how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And also you can see some instructions available over here. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here to get all these details, I have already set up a temporary WhatsApp Cloud API account. So let me take you there. And here you can see in the Meta, I have already set up a temporary account where I've received the access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So for now, I'm going to generate the temporary access token by clicking on this button. And then here I'm going to reconnect my Facebook account. And after reconnecting my Facebook account, you can see I've received the access token. So now I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. So let me do that. Alright, so I've successfully added the details, and now I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now here is asking me to enter the receiver phone number. So that means here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this message. So now here instead of entering the customer's number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new order detail through InstaMojo, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the phone number, I'm going to map the receiver's phone number. So this is the receiver's phone number. Moving forward, and there is asking for the template ID. So here I've already created a template for this particular process, and to show you that, let me take you back to my Meta account. So now here in the step 2, you can see it is written create your own template with the hyperlink. So I'm going to open it over here, and here you can see it has directed me to the message templates window where you can see all the templates that I've created over here. So in this case, I'm going to use the template that I've created with the name InstaMojo order, and here you can see the template that I have drafted that says says hello leads name. So this is a variable over here. Thank you for shopping with us. We have received your order successfully and it's now being processed. For any queries, feel free to contact us at this number. We appreciate your trust in us and can't wait to deliver your order. Alright, so this is the template, and here I've used a variable in the place of this lead's name because I want whenever I'm going to receive a new order through my InstaMojo, then automatically this previously existing customer name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes your text dynamic and it also makes it looks more personalized, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. Alright, so this is the template that I'm going to use. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. I'm going to select my template ID as InstaMojo order, and here for the language code I'm going to add the English language code because I've created my template in English language. Then it is asking me to select the template name, so I'm going to select that particular template, and then it says template has header. So for that I'm going to select no because I have not added any header in my template. And then here for the header type it says enable the map button and leave this field blank. So I'm going to enable the map button and then I'm going to leave this field blank. Alright, let's move forward. Here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And then it is asking template has body. So for that I'm going to select yes, and then it is asking me to add the lead's name, that means my customer's name. So I'm going to search for my customer's name over here. So this is my customer's name, and then it is asking template has button, so I'm going to select no because I have not added any button in my template. Then here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a message over here. So let me add my number. Alright, so I've successfully added my number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see I've received a successful response. That means I've successfully sent in an automated WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. So let's go and check it. And here you can see the message that I have received that says hello smart user, and here you can see the entire message body. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as InstaMojo and an action as WhatsApp Cloud API, so that when you're going to receive a new sale or order through InstaMojo, then automatically an automated personalized WhatsApp message will be sent to our customer via WhatsApp Cloud API on their WhatsApp numbers. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp order confirmation for InstaMojo orders. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.